The city is sounding the alarm tonight on why its tornado siren did not go off during a tornado warning yesterday morning. In the town of Arp, the city siren is near the school district's baseball and softball fields. KLTV7's JD Conti has more on how an apparent communication breakdown kept that siren from sounding.
It beeps, then I type in a code, and then it sets off the siren.
Except on Monday morning during a tornado warning. The city of Arp siren did not do that.
Just rang and rang and rang.
Joe Keegan is the city's chief of police. He first addressed the issue on social media right after the storm passed. The city's lone siren sits next to the Arp ISD baseball and softball fields. Chief Keegan says the siren worked earlier this month during routine testing.
It was real shocking that it didn't go off yesterday, that I wasn't able to set it off.
He adds during tests in the past, it has not gone off. Keegan says it's been because of its location.
Coach or someone will send the kids in and tell them flip the breakers, turn everything off, and then somebody will accidentally hit that breaker.
This time, Chief Keegan believes there was a gap in communication.
I was able to get a hold of the main maintenance manager for the ISD, and he told me that a couple weeks ago that they had lost a transformer.
Keegan says that was not passed on to him.
They're basically waiting on the electrical contractor that the ISD contracts through to come out to fix that.
We reached out to Mike Alzamora, ARP ISD's communications director. The school district referred any questions that we had on the siren or the breaker to the city.
Probably something that should have communicated with you, right?
Yeah, but what's on their mind is the lights for the baseball field, the batting cage, stuff like that.
Now Keegan says they're planning on a potential new siren.
Right outside of City Hall where it should have been the whole time.
JD Conti, KLTV7 News.
And Chief Keegan hopes to have a quote for a new siren ready for City Council approval at their Monday meeting.